Dear students, good morning to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine in your home. Because of COVID-19, schools is not running now. That's why we will take online classes from today onwards. First, we discuss first chapter, real numbers. Real numbers, there are so many types of numbers. That is natural numbers. Natural numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Next, whole numbers. Natural numbers with 0 is called whole numbers. Next, integers. Negative numbers with whole numbers is called integers. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers is it is the form of p by q. That is called 1 by 2, 3 by 4, so 5 by 6 and so on. These are called rational numbers. Next, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means it is not in the form of p by q. This is called irrational numbers. Union of rational and irrational numbers is called real numbers. Our chapter is real numbers. Real numbers, for exam point of view, only 1.2 and 1.5 exercises are there. In 1.2 exercise before part, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. In this theorem, prime numbers and composite numbers are there. What is meant by prime number? A number which can be factor of 1 and itself as a factors, that is called prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are called numbers. In these numbers, what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5 and 7. These are called prime numbers. These numbers have only 1 and itself as a factors. That is called prime numbers. How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100? That is 25 prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. Composite numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. In these numbers, what is composite numbers? 4, 6, 8 and so on. These are called composite numbers. Composite numbers means a number have more than 2 factors. That is called composite numbers. The number 4 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 1. That is more than 2 factors. 6 can be expressed as 2 into 3 into 1. It can be expressed as more than 2 factors. 8 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. That is more than 2 factors. This is called composite numbers. How many composite numbers there between 1 to 100? That is 74 composite numbers. 1 to 100 prime numbers is 25 and 1 to 100 composite numbers is 74. Total is 99. How many numbers are there between 1 to 100? 100 numbers. Total number is 99. 1 is called neither prime nor composite number. And 1 is not prime number and not composite number. This is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. A composite number can be expressed as the product of prime factors. This is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic. For example, 30 is a composite number. It can be expressed as 2 15 30, 3 5 15. 30 can be expressed as 2 into 3 into 5. It can be expressed as a product of primes. What is fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. The prime factorization is unique. This is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Example 3. Consider the numbers 4 power n where n is a natural number. Check whether there is any value of n for which 4 power ends with the digit 0. 4 power n ends with 0. 4 is a composite number, ends with 0. Composite numbers ends with 0 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. 10 can be written as the prime factorization is 2 into 5. And 20 can be written as the prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 5. And 30 can be written as the prime factorization is 2 into 3 into 5. And 40 can be written as the prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 50 can be written as the prime factorization is 2 into 5 into 5. In all composite numbers, the common prime factors are 2 and also 5. 4 power n equal to 2 into 2 whole power n. In this prime factorization, only 2 is there, not in 5. Therefore, the 4 power n cannot end with 0. This problem is same like that example 3. Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. 6 power n can be written as 2 into 3 whole power n. For every composite number can be expressed as 2 into 5 for prime factorization. So, 6 power n can be written as 2 into 3 whole power n. In this prime factorization, only 2 is there, not in 5. So, 6 power n cannot end with 0 for any natural number n. This topic is LCM and HCF. Example 4. Find the HCF and LCM of 12 and 18 by the prime factorization method. 12 can be written as prime factors. That is 12 equal to 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. That is 2 square into 3. 18 can be written as 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. That is 2 into 3 into 3 equal to 2 into 3 square. 12 can be written as 2 square into 3 and 18 can be written as 2 into 3 square. LCM equal to common factors 2 and 3. 12 and 18. These are the common factors of 12 and 18 is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 into 3. Highest powers. In this highest power, 2 highest power is 2 and 3 highest power is 3. 2. 3 highest power is 2. That is 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. That is 4 9 ja 36. Well can be written as 2 square into 3. 18 can be written as 2 into 3 square. LCM is 2 square into 3 square. That is 4 into 9 equal to 36. And HCF is common factors. 2 and 18 common factors are 2 and 3. 2 into 3. Least powers. Least power of 2 is 1 and least power of 3 is 1. Therefore, 2 3 ja 6. That is HCF. LCM is the product of greatest powers of prime factorization and HCF is the product of the least powers of common factors. Next, exercise 1.2. First Roman. Express each of the following number as a product of its prime factors. In this Roman, I will say only 2 problems. Remaining you practice. In this first problem, that is 140. 140 can be written as the prime factors, product of prime factors. 140. 140. 2 7 ja 14. 2 0 0. 2 35 ja 70. 5 7 ja 35. 7 1 ja 7. 140 can be written as the prime factors 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. And next, problem, that is fourth problem. 5005. 5005 can be written as prime factors. 5 1 ja 5, 0 0, 5 1 ja 5. 7. 7 1 ja 7. 30. 7 4 ja 28 and 7 3 ja 21. 11. 11 1 ja 11. 11 3 ja 33. 13 1 ja 13. 5005 can be written as prime factors. That is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Next, second Roman. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by the prime factorization method. In this also only 2 problems explained, remaining you practice. Second problem, that is 17, 23 and 29. In this problem, we see 17 is a prime number and 23 also prime number, 29 also prime number. 17 can be written as 17 into 1. 23 can be written as 23 into 1. And 29 can be written as 29 into 1. LCM equal to highest common factors 17 into 23 into 29. 17 into 23 into 29. And HCF equal to common factor. Only 1 is there. That is HCF is equal to 1. And next problem. That is fourth problem. 72 and 108. 72 can be written as prime factors. 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. 3 9 ja 18. 2 9 ja 18. 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. It can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 cubed into 3 square. And also 108 can be written as 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14. 3 9 ja 27. 3 3 ja 9. 3 1 ja 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. That is 2 square into 3 cube. LCM of 72 and 108 is 2 cubed into 3 cubed. That is 8 into 27 equal to 216. And HCF of 72 and 108 is 2 square into 3 square. That is 4 into 9. That is 36. Go to next problem. This problem is already discussed before example 4. Next problem. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. First we will discuss 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Take common factor, that is 13. 13 is common. 7 into 11 plus 1. 13 into 7 into 11 means 77 plus 1. 13 into 78. These are composite numbers. Composite numbers means more than 2 factors. This is called composite numbers. We will go to next. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. Take 5 as a common. Remaining 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. 5 into 7 6 ja 42 into 4 3 ja 12 into 2 1 ja 2 plus 1. 5 into 42 into 12 to the 24 plus 1. 42 into 24. 4 to the 8, 4 for the 16. 2 to the 4, 2 for the 8. 8, 6 for 10, 8 to 10. 5 into 1000, 1008 plus 1. 5 into 1009. This is the composite number. It can be written as more than 2 factors. Problem. How will you show that 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5 is a composite number? Explain. In this number, 17 into 11 is common. Remaining are 2 plus 5. 17 into 11 into 7. 17 into 77. This is composite number. It can be written as more than 2 factors. And next one. What is the last digit of 6 power 100? 6 power any natural number ends with last digit is 6. We take some examples. 6 power 1 equal to 6. 6 power 2 is equal to 6 into 6, that is 36. 6 power 3 is equal to 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216. 6 power 4 equal to 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, that is 1296. Like that, coming 6 power n also last digit ends with 6. Therefore, 6 power 100 is last digit ends with 6. Next topic is logarithms. Logarithms is nothing but another form of an exponential form. For example, 2 power 3 equal to 8. This is exponential form. And 2 power 4 is equal to 16. This also exponential form. 5 power 3 equal to 125. This is exponential form. It can be expressed as logarithmic forms. Log 8 base 2 equal to 3. And this can be written as log 16 base 2 is equal to 4. This can be written as log 125 base 5 is equal to 3. For suppose a power x is equal to n, log n base a is equal to x. This is logarithmic form. A comma n greater than 0. These a comma n are positive numbers and a not equal to 1. This is the condition. And next, logarithm formulas. Log a base a is equal to 1. Log 1 base a equal to 0. Log xy base a is equal to log x base a plus log y base a. Log x y z base a is equal to log x base a plus log y base a plus log z base a. Log x by y base a is equal to log x base a minus log y base a. Log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. Log pq by q sr is equal to log pq minus log sr. Log pq means log p plus log q minus log sr means log s plus log r, that is log p plus log q minus log s minus log r. Log x base a is equal to 1 by log a base x. A power log n base a equal to n. These are the logarithmic formulas. Do this in page number 18. Write the powers to which the bases to be raised in the following. First problem. 64 is equal to 2 power x. Using this formula, log n log x base a is equal to n. A power n is equal to x. Using this formula, 2 power x is equal to 64. This can be written as log 64 base 2 is equal to x. And next, one by 81 is equal to 3 power c. It can be written as 3 power c is equal to 1 by 81. Using this formula, a power x is equal to n, log n base a is equal to x. Log 1 by 81 base 3 is equal to c. Next try this. In page number 18, write the following relation in exponential form and find the values of respective variables. Log 32 base 2 is equal to x. Using this formula, log x base n is equal to a. N power a is equal to x. Log 32 base 2 is equal to x. Then 2 power x is equal to 32. 2 power x is equal to 32 can be written as 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 8 ja, 16, 2 4 ja, 8, 2 2 ja, 4, 2 1 ja, 2. That is 2 power 5. Bases are equal, then exponents also equal. Therefore, x is equal to 5. And next, log 10,000 base 10 is equal to z. It is in the form of log n base a is equal to x. A power x is equal to n. Using this formula, log 10,000 base 10 is equal to z. 10 power z is equal to 10,000. 10 power z is equal to 10,000 can be written as 10 to the power of 4. Bases are equal, then exponents also equal. Therefore, z is equal to 4. And next, do this in page number 19. Express the logarithms of the following into sum of the logarithms. 35 into 46. Log 35 into 46. Using log x y equal to log x plus log y. This can be written as log 35 into 46 equal to log 35 plus log 46. And next, log 235 into 437. This also can be written as log 235 plus log 437 using log xy is equal to log x plus log y formula. Next, do this in page number 20. Express the logarithms of the following into difference of the logarithms. Log 23 by 34. Using this formula, log x by y equal to log x minus log y. This can be written as log 23 minus log 34. Using this formula, log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. This can be written as log 23 minus log 34. And next problem, log 4525 divided by 3734. Using this formula, log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Log 4525 minus log 3734. Next, do this in page number 21. By using the formula log x power n base a equal to n log x base a. Log 7 power 25 base 2. Using this formula, log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. This can be written as 25 log 7 base 2. Using this formula, log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. And second one, log 5 power 23. Using this formula, log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a. This can be written as 23 log 5. And next try this in page number 21. Find the value of log root c base c. Using this formula, log a power m is equal to m log a. Log c root c can be written as log c base c, c power 1 by 2. Root can be written as 1 by 2. Using this formula, 1 by 2 log c base c. Log a base a is equal to 1. Using this formula, 1 by 2 into log c base c is 1. 1 by 2 into 1 means 1 by 2. And next, find the value of log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. This can be written as log 2 cubed by 3 cubed 2 base 2 by 3. 8 can be written as 2 cubed and 27 can be written as 3 cubed. Log 2 by 3 whole cubed. 2 cubed by 3 cubed means 2 by 3 whole cubed and base 2 by 3. Using this formula, log a power m equal to m log a. That means 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. Log a base a is equal to 1. 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 3 value 1. That is 3 1 ja 3. And next example 11. Expand log 343 by 125. It is in the form of log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Using this formula, log 343 by 125 equal to log 343 minus log 125. 343 can be written as 7. 7 4 is 28. 7 9 is 63. 7 7 is 49. It can be written as 7 cube minus log 125 can be written as 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. It can be written as 5 cube. Using this formula, log a power m equal to m log a. Using this formula, this can be written as 3 log 7 minus 3 log 5. Common 3, we take log 7 minus log 5. And next, example 12. Write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single logarithm. 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single logarithm. Log a power m is equal to m log a. Using this formula, 2 log 3 can be written as log 3 power 2 plus 3 log 5 can be written as log 5 power 3 minus 5 log 2 can be written as log 2 power 5. Log 3 square means log 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9 plus log 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125 minus log 2 power 5 means log 32. Log AB equal to log A plus log B. Log A plus log B. Using this formula, log 9 plus log 125 equal to log 9 into 125 minus log 32. Log 125 into 9 equal to 9 5 is 45, 9 2 is 18, 18 of 4 22, 9 1 is 9, 10, 11. 1125 minus log 32. Log A by B equal to log A minus log B. Using this formula, log 1125 minus log 32 can be written as log 1125 by 32. This is a single logarithm. Next example 13. Solve 3 power x equal to 5 power x minus 2. Take logarithms on both sides. Take log on both sides. Log 3 power x is equal to log 5 power x minus 2. Log a power m is equal to m log a. Using this formula, log 3 power x is equal to x log 3 equal to, this can be written as x minus 2 into log 5. X log 3 equal to x into log 5 minus 2 into log 5. X log 5 can be written as x log 3 minus x log 5 equal to minus 2 log 5. Common x, log 3 minus log 5 is equal to minus 2 log 5. X equal to minus 2 log 5 by log 3 minus log 5. X equal to 2 log 5 multiplied by minus x equal to 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3. That's it. Next example 14. Find x if 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 minus log x. Equal to log x. Log x is equal to 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3. Log x is equal to log a power m equal to m log a. Using this formula, 2 log 5 can be written as log 5 power 2 plus this can be written as log 9 power 1 by 2 plus minus log 3. Log x equal to log 5 square means 5 square means 5 5 are 25 plus log 9 power 1 by 2 means root 9 minus log 3. Log x equal to log 25 plus log root 9 value 3 minus log 3. Log 3 minus log 3 plus log 3 cancel. Log x equal to log 25. This is x equal to 25. Next, exercise 1.5. First Roman, determine the value of the following. Log root x base x This can be written as log x power 1 by 2 base x. Log a power m equal to m log a. Using this formula, 1 by 2 log x base x. Log a base a equal to 1. Using this formula, log x base x value 1. 1 by 2 into 1. That is 1 by 2. Remaining problems you practice. And next Roman. Write the following expressions as log n and find their values wherever possible. First problem, log 2 plus log 5. This can be written as log 2 into 5. Using log xy equal to log x plus log y formula. Log 2 into 5. 2 5 is 10. In this Roman, remaining problems you practice. And next problem. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. If it is given x equal to log 3 base 2 and y equal to log 5 base 2. In this, log 15 base 2. Log 15 means log 15 3 5 is 15 base 2. Log xy equal to log x plus log y. Using this formula, log 3 5 is 15. Log x into y equal to log x plus log y. Log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Log 3 base 2 value is x and log 5 base 2 value is y. That is x plus y. And next, fourth problem. Expand the following. Log x square y cubed z power 4. By using this formula, log x y z equal to log x plus log y plus log z. Using this formula, log x square y cubed z power 4 equal to log x square plus log y cubed plus log z power 4. Log a power m equal to m log a. Using this formula, log x square can be written as 2 log x plus log y cubed can be written as 3 log y plus log z power 4 can be written as 4 log z. That's it. Next problem. If x square plus y square equal to 25xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. We know that x plus y whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Adding both sides 2xy. X square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 25xy plus 2xy. X square plus y square plus 2xy equal to x plus y whole square. This can be written as x plus y whole square equal to 25xy plus 2xy. This can be written xy. Take logarithms on both sides. Log x plus y whole square equal to log 27xy. Log a power m equal to m log a. Using this formula, log x plus y whole square equal to 2 log x plus y equal to log 27xy. Log x plus y equal to log 27xy. 27 means 27 can be written as 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. 2 log x plus y equal to log 3 cube. 27 can be written as 3 cube xy. 3 cube xy. Log x y equal to log x plus log y. Using this formula, 2 log x plus y equal to log 3 cube plus log x plus log y. This can be written as, using this formula, log a power m is equal to m log a. Using this formula, this can be written as log 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. That's the problem. If log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. Multiplying both sides by 2, 2 log x plus y by 3 equal to log x plus log y. Log a power m is equal to m log a. Using this formula, log x plus y by 3 whole square equal to log x plus log y. Log xy equal to log x plus log y. Using this formula, log x plus log y is equal to log xy. Log x plus y by 3 whole square equal to log xy. Cancellation of log both sides. X plus y by 3 whole square equal to xy. X plus y whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy by 3 whole square means 9 equal to xy. By cross multiplication, x square plus y square plus 2xy equal to 9xy. X square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy. X square plus y square is equal to 7xy. Both sides dividing by xy, x square by xy plus y square by xy equal to 7xy by xy. X cancel, y cancel, xy cancel. X by y plus y by x equal to 7. This is the answer. Problem. If 2.3 whole power x equal to 0.23 whole power y equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. First we take 2.3 whole power x equal to 1000. 2.3 whole power x is equal to 1000 equal to 10 cubed. 2.3 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by x. This is equation 1. And next we take 0.23 whole to the power of y equal to 1000. 0.23 whole to the power of y equal to 10 cubed. 0.23 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y. 0.23 can be written as 2.3 by 10 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by y. 2.3 equal to 10 into 10 to the power of 3 by y. 2.3 equal to 10 power 1 plus 3 by y. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. That is 10 to the power of 3 plus y by y. This is equation 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. 2.3 equal to 10 to the power of 3 by x and 2.3 equal to 10 to the power of 3 plus y by y. That way 10 to the power of 3 by x is equal to 10 to the power of 3 plus y by y. Bases are equal, then exponents also equal. 3 by x equal to 3 plus y by y. 3 by x equal to 3 by y plus 1. Coming that side, 3 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 1. Common 3 by 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1. 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 3. That is the answer. Problem. If 2 power x plus 1 equal to 3 power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. Take logarithms on both sides. Log 2 power x plus 1 equal to log 3 power 1 minus x. Log a power m equal to m log a. Using this formula, this can be written as x plus 1 into log 2 equal to 1 minus x into log 3 multiplied by log 2. X into log 2 plus 1 into log 2 equal to 1 into log 3 minus x into log 3. X into log 2, this can be left side, plus x into log 3 equal to log 3 minus, this can be right side, log 2. Common x on these numbers, log 2 plus log 3 equal to log 3 minus log 2. X equal to log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. This is the answer. And next, is log 2 is rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Log 2. Just assume that log 2 is rational number, that is a by b form. Log is irrational. Log 2 is rational or irrational. Log 2 equal to a by b. Assume that. 2 power base 10. 10 power a by b equal to 2. 10 can be written as 2 5 10. Power a by b equal to 2. 2 power a by b into 5 power a by b equal to 2 power 1. 5 power a by b equal to 2 power 1 minus a by b. 5 power a by b equal to 2 power b minus a by b. In this, LHS and RHS are not equal. Why this arise? Assume that our assumption is wrong. Log 2 is rational is wrong. That's why log 2 is irrational number. And next, log 100 is rational or irrational. Log 100 base 10 equal to x. 10 power x equal to 100. 10 power x is equal to 10 to the power of 2. Bases are equal, then exponents also equal. X is equal to 2. That's why log 2 is rational. This chapter is completed. I will one assignment for you. 100 is rational number. This chapter is completed. Now I will give one assignment for you. All of you students write this assignment. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.